After relaxing at Dhanushkodi for a while, we left for Kanyakumari. The scenes en route were a visual treat. You can watch our earlier vlog to enjoy our drive from Velankani to Dhanushkodi.
We have finally made it to Kanyakumari. We have made it to Kanyakumari at 5:20 p.m. This is one of the churches which had to face the brunt of the tsunami. You can see this. You can very well see some shops here which are selling some seashells all the while just beside this church. And this is the altar of the church which you can see here. I'll show you a close-up of the altar. This is the altar where once upon a time Holy Eucharist is to be conducted.
There were a couple of stalls adjacent to this church. These stalls were selling a lot of souvenirs. You can see it here. All these were made of seashells, so it was beautifully crafted. Excellent designs you can see here. So in case you come here, you can very well buy these as a souvenir, as a remembrance of the visit to this place which once upon a time was lively. So after this we reached this Pamban bridge again, and as you can see here, this is the rail track which is there in the middle, and one on the adjacent. Under construction one is the new railway line which the government is planning.
We are on the road from Rameshwaram to Kanyakumari. So we came to the junction where we had taken left from Dhanushkodi, and now we are going to connect the ECR road. This is the junction where the ECR road comes and meets, and we'll continue on the ECR road now. Here is the junction, and now yes, at this point we are meeting the ECR road, and here on we'll be driving on the East Coast Road, which we were driving from Velankani to Rameshwaram in the morning.
Oh, look that.
We stopped for some time. I just thought of picking up some lunch for us. Pretty ordinary place, nothing great here. Just could find one restaurant which was selling some biryani Just collected one biryani there. Let me see how. I don't know where's the restaurant now. I think it's behind. I came walking all the way. It's there. The parcel is there. Let me see how will it taste. Let's go ahead and stop and have our lunch. The biryani which I had taken for lunch, we tasted it. It was okay, not bad. It costed us around $100. It was pretty fine. It was good for the price what we paid. Not very bad. Had a piece of chicken, an egg, and lots of rice. He had served it with some sherwa, what they call it here, the gravy, and along with that raita, a curd salad. So the lunch is done. My son was also fed with his food. All this happened when I had stopped for refuel. Did that in the Indian Oil petrol pump, just 10 meters I think away from that hotel where I had taken the parcel. I packed the lunch for us. I have done tank full now again. This is the, I think, third time, isn't it? Yes, it's the third time. So it's tank full now, and we have another 180 kilometers to Kanyakumari. The booking for tonight is already done. I'll show you the place. I'm expecting that we'll be able to see the sunset. I'm trying my best to reach on time, though not pushing myself. Driving comfortably, but the weather is a bit overcast, so I'm not sure if we will be able to experience the sunset. Anyways, hoping for the best. The same thing happened in Dhanushkodi. It was raining cats and dogs. It's pouring heavily, but we never expected when we reached Dhanushkodi. It was bright, sunny, and it was clear weather. So we enjoyed the scene there. It was excellent, a jaw-dropping one. You can see the video again if you want. So it was amazing. It's a must-visit place at least once. All the drive fanatics, if they want to drive. Of course, it is a dream drive to Kanyakumari to any driver in his life. I was also very much interested. I used to always pester my wife telling, let's go. I want to do a Kanyakumari drive as a first step. And then of course, there are many other drives which are lined up. Hoping to do that soon. Next drive could be the Statue of Unity, Ahmedabad. Not sure, let us see. And there is a drive to Leh Ladakh too, which is of course a dream drive again. We'll do it one by one, slowly. There's no hurry in it, a lot of time. But yes, life is just once. Enjoy it, work hard, earn your food, and enjoy within your limits. That is very important. So what we can afford, we'll have to get through that extent itself, not more than that, because beyond our affordability, if we push, it is going to hit back at one point of time. So let us see. So that's all for now. There's nothing much to show. I will put up some captures from the dash cam for you to have a look of the roads. One thing I'm again repeating, in Tamil Nadu the roads are excellent. All kudos to the authorities here. Amazing roads. I think I've hardly experienced any roads with noticeable potholes. Yes, there are potholes, but very, very, very few. Overall, I can say 95 to 98% the roads are fantastic. No questions asked. So you can easily maintain your speeds. So friends, stay tuned. We'll keep driving. I'll concentrate on driving. You can enjoy the drive. So friends, we are just closing into Tuticorin. And Tuticorin is known for all the salt fields. You can see here, all these are salt fields. All these are salt fields, and you can see the salt stacked up here. All these are salt fields. And this is the salt stacked up here. You can see the salt. You can see the salt stacked. What they do is they bring the water from the sea which is there beyond that point. You can see that point there, and then they stack it, and then they fill these ponds here, and when it dries up you get this salt which they stack up here. You can see the water flowing back, and this is the salt. What you see, this is the salt. So much of salt here. This is the highway which we are traveling. You can see a lot of windmills here. So there is a lot of wind power generation in this area. Basically all this comes under Sipcot. We have another 65 kilometers to Kanyakumari, and we are driving on the Asian Highway, the Kashmir to Kanyakumari Highway. You can look at the beauty on this highway. The road is fantastic, well laid, well marked, and well gardened in the divider, and you can see the views all around. It's so mesmerizing, and it's a wonder to watch all this.
I want this one.
Look at the views.
Please. I want this. That.
This is the dead end of India. I go right towards Sunset Point. East is the left is the Bay of Bengal. Friends, we have finally made it to Kanyakumari. We have made it to Kanyakumari at 5:20 p.m. and this is the Mother Mary statue there. You can see we are right on time. The sun is just about to set. What a view this is, what a view. This was one of the dream drive for me. Look at the mesmerizing views. Kanyakumari and checked into our hotel. This is our hotel, and I'll just give you a short room tour. When you enter, you have a cupboard here, wardrobe kind of, a place for keeping our bags. The room, king size cot. Not sure what's outside the window as a view. Maybe tomorrow I'll show it. This is the bathroom here. It's pretty neat and clean. So it was a tiresome day today. We enjoyed the drive. We'll get back to you tomorrow morning.